Is your Siemens EQ6 telling you to empty drip tray, even though it's already empty? This is a common sensor issue, not a leak or malfunction. Let's fix it step by step. By the end of this video, your machine should be good to go. Step 1. Remove the tray while the machine is on. Always empty the drip tray while the machine is powered on. Removing it while off can cause the machine to miss the reset signal when it's reinserted. Step 2. Wipe the metal contacts. Flip the tray over. Use a dry cloth to clean the two metal contact points underneath. If they're wet or dirty, the machine may not register the tray correctly. Step 3. Check for moisture inside the slot. Use a paper towel or cloth to gently dry the inside area where the tray slides in. Excess moisture here can confuse the sensors. Step 4. Reinsert the tray firmly. Slide the tray all the way in until it clicks. Make sure it's aligned and flush with the front of the machine. Step 5. Do a soft reset. Still getting the error? Turn off the machine, unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes, then restart. This clears minor sensor glitches. That should stop the drip tray warning and get your EQ6 back in business. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance guides. Got another issue with your machine? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next cup.